we've had the suckling pig, and here comes the Peking duck. It gleams, it glows. It looks really very, very nice. Okay, here we are. Our very own waiter cutting our very own Peking duck. I've tried it myself, and it's just so hard to cut the skin so that it's thin the way he's doing it. They do make it quite effortless, but then again, I guess I can't cook, so. Some of our foodie friends have rated this as the best Peking duck in Sydney. Don't know about that. We'll find out once we taste the Peking duck. One thing I can tell you is I'm salivating just watching him cut it, because one thing they've been able to do is make the skin so glowing and shiny. The duck's getting taken away because that's going to go into, yeah, it's got a great pancake. He's going to wrap our Peking duck pancake.
The paste is wrong pay.
Sorry?
It's the warm one, the pay.
Okay.
It's not a cold one.
Okay, it's a warm one.
Yeah,
okay.
It's a warm pay.
Right. Okay. Here goes the sauce. A slice of cucumber.
Yep.
And is that leeks there?
Yep.
Yep. And then it's all rolled.
Yep. That made them a little bit spicy.
Uh-huh. The leek makes it more spicy.
Yeah,
right.
a little bit spicy, yeah.
Voila. And it's served to our table.